Ladies and gentlemen, today I have a very beautiful, very important surprise I would like to announce. The Ascend Studio 2.0. Ladies and gentlemen, what you're seeing right now before your very eyes is the brand new studio for the AscendX YouTube channel. Now then, this is my greatest project yet. And let me tell you, this new desk, new setup got me feeling fly for real. Now, all the things to come with this setup are not ready yet. Let me just make that clear. There's a lot more coming to this desk, this setup, this studio on the way. Now, I do want to go over a couple of things with this setup, because if you want to get one just like me for real, I'm here to show you some of the things. First off, some of the equipment that I'm using here today. On my ears is the SteelSeries Arctis 7 Plus. The plus is the key there. The plus, the plus. SteelSeries Arctis 7 Plus. You know what I'm saying? For maximum audio quality, skill that allows me to feel immersed in the gameplay and really do my thing for real, because I'm him. Obviously, I gotta talk to y'all somehow. I got the Blue Yeti mic that I bought 45 years ago. Yep, that's right. We haven't changed this thing in a long time, and that's actually one of the upgrades that are coming to the studio very soon. Now, as for my equipment that I use to actually play in the games, I got the Logitech G925 TKL wireless, right, in white, right, the pretty white edition. You know what I'm saying? It looks clean. It's beautiful. It's really solid for real. And then the combo that I got the Logitech some mouse. Put it up on the screen editor, and it is a fire mouse on top of the Logitech mouse pad, right? Of course, because I'll be doing my thing. Now, I got the Stream Deck. You know what I'm saying? You see the ting. I gotta be able to switch it up. You know what I'm saying? Now, I got the dual monitor setup. I got the AOC monitor, the Acer monitor, specs down below. Specs, throw them up on the screen, actually. Never mind, don't you put them down below. You know what I'm saying? And then, obviously, sometimes the light in here is kind of mid. So, I had to throw in the Elgato key light airs, not the normal ones, the airs. Now, I know some people kind of, lean towards the big boys a little bit, but I don't need all that. You know what I'm saying? I'm a simple guy. I went with this simple. Now, I had to add a little extra touch. The Logitech Superstar speakers that come with the subwoofer, the big money, the narrow speakers, right? I got my Xbox down below. I got my Switch up top. And obviously, I got my dogs with me. I got Zorro up top. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. I got Zorro with me. You know what I'm saying? I got Zorro sitting on the top shelf. I show a picture of Zorro on the top shelf editor. It says. And then I got Mr. Piggy himself. He sits on the. So he moves around a little. He migrates a lot, but he be here on the desk. You know what I'm saying? And so with that being said, I got a fire setup now. Anyways, now obviously, I gotta hit y'all with the desk tour, right? Because this is a very professional of me to just be sitting here telling y'all about it and not showing you, right? So I thought we'd do a little bit of a... So I thought I would hit y'all with this angle, right? So you can kind of see what I'm seeing, right? Like on the side view. Here's Mr. Piggy and Zorro, like I was talking about earlier, right? Now, I am gonna hit y'all with a third angle because how much can you see at this angle? You can see the mic, you can kind of see the top of the Stream Deck, my phone right here, you know what I'm saying? I have a lot of desk space to work with that I didn't have before, right? This is fire. I got the keyboard here and a dual monitor display. So can you really see on it? Can you see what I'm listening to? Because that's why I have my headphones on, because I'm listening to something as I'm recording this, because I'm not gonna sit in absolute silence and just talk the whole time. That is crazy talk. Let me minimize that so y'all don't make fun of me. Anyways, let me go one more angle. All right, there we go. Okay, so this is the front view, right? This is what you're kind of seeing when you're back here. Let me move it back a little bit so you can get a really nice view of the whole desk, right? You know what I'm saying? So this is me for real. This is fire, right? I got all this space now to move about. I also got a green screen. I didn't really tell y'all about that, but y'all see it in the videos. You know what I'm saying? You wanna see the green screen? Look, you see the green screen. It's a retractable one. You know what a green screen is. That's not really. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, so again, this is my setup, right? This is super cool. This is super fire. I love everything about it. The old L-shaped desk from before was kind of mid for real, so I had to go and switch it up. I I just felt like it was needed. And this is my ultimate setup tour. That's what I'm rocking with. Obviously, I'm using a freaking camera. Put the specs for that below too, because I'm not gonna use this little rinky-dink webcam to show y'all my I am actually. I lied to y'all. Ready? Bam, right? Check this out. This is my Canon right? That's fire for real. Back over here, hey. Hi. Back over here, right? So, this is my setup. It's pretty cool. I'm extremely happy with it because you know what? This is so fire. I'm so clean. I look so cool over here. Like I can see myself. You can kind of see like my arm. Look, check this out. Whoop, whoop. Hold on, wait. Using OBS. So cool. Anyways, so, you know, this is my new setup. I'm going to be doing in the next couple of days the art of content, or the art of AscendX, and it's going to be breaking down how I do content my way or the highway. And so I definitely hope that y'all enjoy that, and it's going to be fun. It's going to be fire. Just new things to come. I'm going to be honest. I thought of this video last second, and I didn't write a script. I just said, fuck it. Let's go out here and just do it, because why not, bro? And you know what? I love this camera because I bought the lenses for it. It was a little like 300 extra, but hey, how are you? Now, I know you're probably hearing my voice and you're like, whoa, back up, buddy. I'm gonna hit y'all with a little ASMR. You know what I'm saying? For my freak leaks out there. Let me stop. Anyways, if you into ASMR, I'll do an ASMR channel. ASMR with Ascend. Would y'all like that? Would y'all like me to do an ASMR with Ascend? I could just whisper in your ear a little. To all my homies out there, tell you a little bedtime story. Give you a kiss. Let me stop. All right. Anyways. Whoop. Wrong way. There we go. Anyways. If y'all enjoyed, as always, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe. If you know, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell me sisters on Elgato special plans. They're important too. I said the outro a little wrong. That's okay. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Tell me sisters on Elgato special plans. They're important too. You know, when I say all that, I mean that you have to do it. I'm not asking. I'm telling. Thank you for watching. I appreciate the support with this new desk. Hopefully I have the motivation to make 1,000 million kajillion more videos. This is honestly super cool for me, and I've definitely it was a pain in the ass, and I was up till maybe I'll just drop a story time video about the actual process of putting the desk together and dealing with all that. But here's a quick before photo, right? That snap didn't really, that was a little better. That was weak. That was kind of mid, but there's a before photo of like before I even put anything together. Like there's the desk, me moving everything. It was such a task. I'm not going to get into that. Thank you for watching. I love you for watching. Part 2 coming out. Art of Ascend. You're going to enjoy it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Zora. Ah! Mr. Baum. Ah! Now I can say all the homies. Piggy. Ah! Yes, sir. Oh, my bad. Ah! Get us out of here.